guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig install, and this one is from Beauty Forever Hair. Again, this is my second time collaborating with them. This is their Brazilian highlight lace front, and this is 24 inches and also 180 density. It is super thick. So like usual, I'm going ahead and cutting the lace out. I've already gone ahead and applied some of my foundation onto the lace, but now I'm just doing some finishing touches just to make sure that the color matches exactly. Now to glue it down onto my forehead, I am going ahead and first putting one layer of the Got2b gel and then using the free spray on top and then blow drying until it gets tacky, and finally blow drying the lace with the glue onto my forehead. And then I'm just going ahead and repeating the same process for the sides. So now I'm just cutting out some baby hairs, and I only did a little bit in this video, but afterwards I decided I wanted some in the front, so I went ahead and did that off camera. So the front is a bit thick, but I went ahead and applied some mousse and then went with the hot comb to flatten it out. And now I'm tying on the elastic band just to lay the edges down even more. I'm now making my middle part and then also using the foam and the hot comb to lay it down. Now I'm using my concealer just to bring out the middle part. And lastly, I'm just going to straighten the hair out a bit. Even though it is really straight and really soft, I just wanted to make sure everything was flat. And yeah, that is pretty much it. This is a bit different for me, but I ended up liking it. The hair is super soft, you guys, and the ends are cut like pretty blunt, so it felt really soft and like really nice instead of that layered feeling. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below what you would like to see next and subscribe. Okay, bye guys.